Are you going to England but feeling overwhelmed with what outfits to pack? You want to look chic, but it's got to be comfortable, versatile, and easy. In this video, I am showing you every outfit I wore on our recent 12-day trip to England. Whether dining out, walking around London, or taking a train into the countryside, you'll see that my outfits hit 3 notes. They're effortless, comfortable, and they are stylishly chic. Best of all, they're easy to copy, and I reused many of the same pieces to create multiple looks. Translation, look amazing with less stuff. Let's do this. For our trip to England, the temperature was going to be 62 to 65 degrees, not super warm. Most of the trip was going to be very relaxed with one fancy night out at a Michelin star restaurant. Here's what I packed. 4 shirts in neutral colors, 6 sweaters to wear alone or for layering, 5 pants in neutral colors including 1 print and 1 fun color, 1 day dress, and 1 fancy night outfit, 2 scarves, 1 solid and a print in neutral colors, 3 bags, a tote, a crossbody, and a clutch, 4 pairs of shoes, 2 sneakers for day, cross trainers for the gym, and a pair of chic ankle boots for our fancy night out. It's a 10.5-hour direct flight from San Diego into Heathrow. I chose this soft rib knit outfit from Splendid. It's nothing more than a pair of drawstring pants with pockets and the coordinating collared polo. I threw my printed scarf into my tote for layering, and for shoes I just wore a simple pair of white leather slide-on sneakers, and it was perfect. Side note, I always bring my own pair of thick fuzzy socks on the plane. The socks that the airline gives you are thin and scratchy, and I just like having my own. Once in London, keeping the sweater pant. I swapped the top for this white gauzy button down. Notice how I styled it, ladies. I roll the sleeves, always cool, and I personally do a half tuck. The half tuck defines my waist and keeps the shirt from overwhelming my frame while still giving a look that says relaxed. Look 2, I added a black sweater over the shoulders for a chic layering effect and a pair of neutral aviators. I kept the same tote and sneakers. Ladies, watch how versatile a patterned bag like this is throughout the video. Notice how it kicks up every single outfit that would otherwise be boring and makes it a little more interesting. The same with my patterned scarf. Look 3, swap the sweater for my printed scarf. You can see how adding a print pulls it all together nicely and ups the chic factor. Look 4, swap the scarf for a gray boyfriend cardigan. This one is cashmere and it's by Quince. It's a very good price. I think it's $139. To keep this look from overwhelming my frame with the oversized boyfriend cardigan and the slouchy pants, I tucked the shirt into the pants. That way it defines my waist and doesn't look so bulky and overwhelming. My white crossbody, which also doubled as a wallet since it's a wallet on a chain, and this is perfect for casually walking around town. Also, this shirt that I'm wearing is so awesome for travel, ladies. It's a light gauzy fabric that travels well, looks chic. I loved it so much I bought it in 3 colors. Want to know what's best about it? J. Crew on sale, $44. Next, navy cotton pants and my white shirt as the base. To pull it all together, I added a white and blue striped sweater over the shoulders. Look 2, I swapped in a heavier navy and green sweater. This can also be worn over the shirt if it gets a little colder. Look 3, the same navy pants, this time with a very lightweight cashmere navy sweater. This one is also from Quince. I love this monochromatic look. I think it's super chic. Wear as is or again. Look how the print scarf ups the ante. Super chic. Add the tote or the white crossbody. They both work. Alternatively, I nixed the scarf and I layered on my lightweight trench coat, which is perfect for the couple days in London when it was kind of cold and drizzly. I love a printed palazzo pant. Y'all know this. They're classy, they're elevated, yet they're perfectly relaxed and easy for a leisurely walk around town. I wore this outfit a couple times. First on the train ride from London to Bath. This is another cashmere sweater pairing by Quince. I love the Quince brand. Their black sweater tank and their coordinating 8-button Henley sweater. I particularly love this type of pairing for days when it's going to start out cold, but you know it's going to heat up during the day because, you know, then you've got the option. The sweater is super lightweight, so it easily scrunched into my tote, not a problem. For more warmth, I added my lightweight black cashmere scarf and it was perfect. Keeping the same black sweater set, I wore a pair of marigold colored denim. They're kind of upmarket denim. Beautiful, eye-catching color, and yet it's still a neutral, so it goes with everything that I brought. And look how beautiful it looks with the patterned tote. See, you gotta have a patterned tote. Look 2, pull it all together with the neutral printed scarf. The white crossbody makes walking around town super convenient, and I think it just freshens up the entire look. Another option, of course, your black scarf. Look 3 is simply black and white. The same black sweater, this time with a pair of black crepe slacks, black scarf contrasted with my fresh white sneakers, and a crossbody. Next, my fun color, which are my Kelly green slacks, and I wore the white shirt with the navy and green sweater for this colder day out in Wiltshire. Look 2, ditch the sweater and wear the white shirt on its own, or add the navy Henley over it, or the white and navy striped sweater. It's very versatile. I did bring a dress. This is the one I brought. This is a simple day dress from the shirt. I've showed you this before. It's a relaxed silhouette, it's floaty, it's comfortable, but it has enough structure with the collar to give it a little bit of refinement and sophistication without being too uptight. I wore this on a leisurely day when we were just grabbing coffee, doing a little window shopping, and having lunch at an outdoor cafe. I wore it with my signature white sneakers, a little crossbody, and this was perfect for walking around Covent Gardens in London. Finally, for our fancy night out, if you follow me on Instagram, you probably saw the outfit already. We were going to the Michelin star restaurant Humo for dinner in what is London's version of Rodeo Drive, but way nicer in my opinion. I wanted to look sleek, well-heeled, but not too California over the top, which I have done before, let's be honest. London is certainly a lot more reserved than Southern California, where I am from. I chose navy because it's sophisticated but not as predictable as black. I'm wearing 2 separate pieces by the designer SAFIYAA. It's a wool crepe, fitted high waist, slightly flared at the bottom with a side zip. The top is asymmetrical, fitted at the waist, accented with crystals in varying shades of blue. I wore nude ankle boots. I do not recommend this type of a heel in London unless you know you are going to be dropped off in front of your destination and picked up in front of your destination. Otherwise, someone's gonna twist an ankle. I added this gorgeous Jimmy Choo clutch in blue ombre, and I think it looks great. You know what else is great? My next video. Check out 4 easy steps for packing the perfect wardrobe, and I will see y'all next Friday. Bye, ladies.